You bench press every week. You add weight, but your chest still looks flat. Here's the truth. Bench press alone doesn't build your chest. Bad mechanics kill growth. Most people press with their shoulders, not their chest. If your shoulders are more sore than your pecs, you're doing it wrong. Problem 1. Your setup is weak. Your shoulder blades should be slightly retracted, chest lifted, stable base. If your shoulders roll forward, front delts take over. Problem 2. You don't train the stretch. Chest grows extremely well in the bottom range, but you bounce the bar, or cut depth, or rush the eccentric. Slow down, control the bottom, own the stretch. Problem 3. You chase load instead of tension. If you can't feel your chest working, it probably isn't. Drop the weight slightly, slow the reps, drive elbows outward slightly. Make the chest lead the movement, not your ego. And one more thing. Training chest once a week with 3 hard sets? Not enough. Aim for 10 to 15 quality sets per week, split into 2 sessions if possible. More frequency, better stimulus, better growth. Your chest isn't small because of genetics. It's small because of structure. Fix execution. Train with intent. Build tension. Subscribe to Legend Trainer. Train correctly.